loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. For today I have a TJMAXX extra girly haul. I have lots of pink and lots of bows, but before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything pink and girly, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and click the bell notifications and follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave you all the links and handles down below. I also have created an entire list of all the products that I mentioned in my videos, as well as some of my ultimate girly favorites and recommendations. So I will leave the link to that down there as well, so you can just easily click and shop and be able to find everything without having to spend your time searching. I have literally created a whole entire list. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So before we get started with today's haul, I did want to show you some incredible items that I received as a PR gift. When they reached out to me, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe they're reaching out to me. I literally posted a video a few months ago. I purchased them myself and loved their products. So when I got that email, I could not believe it, and I'm so excited. So they have arrived. So these are from the brand Mayellis. I will leave their website down below. And so I did pick out 3 items. So the first 2, they're actually 2 of the same one. And the reason why I got 2 is because I have heard incredible reviews about this and I didn't want to miss out. So I wanted to get 2 just to kind of stock up. This is called the Get Dreamy. So this one here says that it's an overnight toning whipped cream that helps to visibly smooth, snatch, and tighten the look of the curves while you sleep. And it also has melatonin, so it will help you to snuggle right in. As soon as you apply this, you will feel it working within a few minutes, and you don't have to do a thing. It literally works as you're sleeping, and you can apply that to those hard areas, like targeted areas that you really want to work on. So I got 2 of these. Like, it's incredible. I am so excited to get these. Highly recommend it. We're still in summer. There's still time to get that look. And once you hit your 30s, like I'm in my late 30s, and it's so hard. It's just so hard to maintain that body. So something like this is just wonderful, and it's called the Get Dreamy. Next up is a body mist. It's called Get Wild. It's a body mist, and it smells so good. It smells delicious. I apply this after the shower, and literally it smells so good. This here is like a glorious, fruity, and fresh scent. It will literally make everybody just turn and try to find where that scent is coming from. It's so good. It's like a very light scent, but it's so fruity. It's just like really nice. Highly recommend this. It's called Get Wild. So I will leave Mayellis website down below, as well as the products that I mentioned in today's video. So let's go ahead and get started with today's TJMAXX haul. So here it is. I went into the store to get 1 item, just 1, and I walked out with all of this. It's so hard, like when you see all the pink and all the bows, like how can you say no to that? So the first thing I got are these adorable earrings from House of Harlow, and I picked these out at the checkout line. When I was waiting at the checkout line, I saw these and I was like, oh, I need these. They are so beautiful. They are bows, but they're like little hoops, and they are adorable. Next thing I got is a candle, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty and so pink, and it has the little pink bow. That is so pretty, and it smells incredible. So the scent on this is strawberry whipped cream, and that's exactly what it smells like strawberry whipped cream. So the next thing I got are some bow hair ties. Look how cute this is. It's adorable. It has 5 little bows, and their hair ties are very stretchy, and it has all the colors, everything you need. Of course, the pink. and I am in love with these. These were only $6.99 and they are so pretty. I'm trying to organize my entire hair section in my vanity area, so that's why I got them, because I want to kind of get more items for that area. And I'm planning on doing a room tour very soon, so hopefully I'll have it all ready in the next couple weeks. So I got that, and then I also got some gel eye patches. These are a must, especially when your eyes are like so tired. You throw these in the fridge and you just put them in your eyes, and they are so nice. These were only $4.99 and they're so cute. They even have like little eyelashes. I also got these really adorable hair clips, and they're also shaped like bows. There's like a really pretty pink one and a white one. The next thing I got are some face makeup wipes, and look how cute these are. These are the Pusheen 3-in-1 cleansing wipes. Also from the beauty section, I picked up this cuticle oil. It's a scented cuticle oil, and look how pretty this is. It has little flowers on the inside. This is stunning, and I've been looking for something like this. This is so nice because you can just apply that to your cuticles and you're not gonna have like dry cuticles. I always have like super dry hands, so this is going to be perfect, and it smells very nice. It smells very like floral. It's called the Blossom Beauty Cuticle Oil. I got this super cute PJ. I actually saw this last time I went, and for some reason I didn't get it, and then I regretted it, and it was still there, so it had to be mine. It's this super cute PJ, and it has a little bow detail on it, and the shorts have bows all around. It's so pretty. It's very lightweight. I think it was only like $12.99, which is not bad at all, and it's adorable, like so pretty. It's in that really cute shade of pink. In the clearance section, I saw this beautiful dress. It was only $10 and I couldn't believe it. I tried it on and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is all white and it has like ruffles. It's so pretty, like adorable. So of course I had to pick it up, and it was only $10. Like, what an incredible deal. Next up, I got some nails for my daughter. She's into like doing her nails right now, and she loves press-ons. So when I saw these, I had to get them for her. They are so cute. They have designs. They have strawberries, like a little teddy bear. Absolutely adorable. I think this was only like $5, so I'm sure she's going to love these when she gets them. The last thing I got is for my bathroom. I picked this up because I figured I could use this as an everyday hand soap and just refill it once it's done. And it's this beautiful hand soap. It has like little like flowers. It's light pink and it has that gold design, and that's what I have been really like getting for the bathroom. It's like all white, pink, and gold. So when I saw this, I thought this was perfect. So I'm definitely going to use this, and it is made out of glass. It's very sturdy and it's so pretty. So that was everything for today's girly haul. I really hope you loved it. Stay tuned. I am planning on doing an entire room tour very soon. Hopefully in the next couple weeks. I'm just waiting for a few items to arrive. But I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.